Barnes here. I'm on a walk today in Lakewood and it's pretty snowy around here. I'm going to switch it around here so you can see. I think since I've lived here, and this isn't a huge snow, certainly not by Fraser standards, but we got a lot for Lakewood. Right. So anyway, yeah, it's sidewalks are a little bit icy. Oh, here's a big old puddle. I'm gonna have to go around. So anyway, I was gonna take maybe a longish walk, but the walking isn't that good with the icy sidewalks. So I'm going up to this little park, home park. See if I can go in there. Take a look around and then I'll go back home. I'm not gonna. I should get my traction shoe device things I've got out. I don't have those on my feet because I can tell that if you took a wrong step out here, you could go down. Whew. Okay, now park is down there. It's just a few tracks people have made with their cars. Nobody's plowed out here. See if I can find a good spot to walk. Okay. It's not bad out. It's about 40 degrees. Sun's out, as you can probably tell. And yeah, it's alright out. Seems like this is gonna, unless we get some warm weather, which I don't think we're getting, this snow's gonna be around for a while. I guess, I don't know. Yeah, this is the park. Mahone Park, City of Lakewood. And there's the school over there. Mahone, Elementary School or whatever they call it. Apparently this is the last year for that school. Jeffco Schools is gonna close it. Closing a whole bunch of schools. Yeah. Anyway, they got a gazebo. Maybe I'll come over and sit down for a second. Alright. Whew. Sit down somewhere. Sit over here. Okay. There we go. Oh boy. Hey Penny. Hello, how you doing over there in England over there? I'm gonna do this. Switch it over. There. Hey Penny. Looks like you're having a pretty amazing trip over there. See if I can get my face to show up a little better. I don't know. In a gazebo. How's your day going? I know what I'll do. I'll wave. I don't know if you can wave. How you can, supposedly you can wave to people on this. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty snowy here, Penny. As you can see. There's a fellow walking his great big dog over there. Here. Switch it over. There. Lots of snow. There's the school. Hello. Oh boy. Penny, it seems like you're going to move over there or something. You're on a pretty long trip over there. But that's nice. You have a lot of nice, good activities you've been doing and making the most of your time over there. Yep. Turn around, see if we can. See, there's that great big dog. Like a big white dog. I don't know what it is. It seems like it's almost like a Saint Bernard or something. Anyway, it doesn't seem like I have too much more interesting to say here in the video, but hey Penny, keep having a great time over there in England, and safe travels to you when you come back. All right, everybody, have a great day. I'm going to sign off. Bye.